Right, welcome back. It's day 8, it's Monday, and I'm off to my grandparents' house to see if I can get a couple of the infill cushions wrapped. They're actually stitching, and then I'm going to go back and I'm going to wrap the others, the ones that I can just staple the fabric to the back. I'll be back with you once I've sorted this out, see if she can wrap these. So I'll see you in a minute. Right, so back on the boat, I've got the cushions outside, which are all been wrapped. Had to stitch up the 2 that sit on the table for the in between here. The rest are just wrapped and stapled to the ply that's on the back. So that now these can go back in, and I'm pretty sure this is going to make it look a lot better. I'm going to get these back in and then I'll show you what it's looking like. Wow, and just like that, what a transformation that has made. The only other ones to go in are the infill ones. Right, so now these seats are in, the next job is to sort this out, because it actually has a gap here, even though the cushions are in as they should be, which it doesn't have on this side. So I need to sort this out. It's got the bit that catches the cushion, so I'm going to cut a piece to go in there, and then cut a bit of carpet to run up, like so, to about here. And then I'll cut another bit of wood to go in there and run the carpet along that as well. Just so it all ties in. Right, there's that piece of wood in, and now I'm going to put the carpet on top of that, and carpet all around it, and then the infill bit will go in there, and that should sit quite nice. I'll be back when I put the carpet in. Right, so although not in, that is the look I'm going for on there, just so it looks like the carpet carries on up, and that can be in storage for the extra cushion if you want it, or you've got a little gap there, you know, whatever you want to do with it. But that looks a lot neater. I've just got to put a bit of wood in, so I've got something to fix the carpet to, and then a bit of wood up there, and then I've got to fill just in there slightly, and then yeah, that's pretty much job done with that. I've got to go home and get the saw to cut the wood anyway, because I've got some flooring to lay out here, so I'm going to have a tidy up out here, and then lay the flooring down just to see if it fits, and if it does, we'll get it laid. So yeah, let's get going. Well, just got this bit to do, but that doesn't look too bad at all. I've got a few bits that need respraying, but it's actually held very well, and I'm quite surprised. So I'm going to run a bead of silicone around the bottom, just in case any water is on here that doesn't go under into them, and then I'm going to paint them white, I think. Fill all the holes and all that, and then re-screw the seat back down, because I had someone in the last video when I done my boat telling me to take the seat out, and it was easier on this boat. It's only 4 screws, so I've took that out, laid the floor around it. I've got this cut to do. I'm going to run this underneath that carpet, I believe, and then the flooring underneath the carpet, and then maybe put trim on if it needs it, but we will see. So yeah, let's get this finished. Cabin in fact is now looking a lot better, and there's only a few bits to do, the odd bits that I've mentioned. So it's now Monday. I'll be back down tomorrow after work, and hopefully tomorrow and Wednesday I can get it smashed out the inside, because all being well, Thursday we'll be lifting it out and painting the bottom on Friday and polishing it up on Saturday, to be back in the water to be cleaned inside on Sunday and then listed next Monday. So I know that was a lot, but yeah, inside I've given a tidy now, so it's a lot cleaner, and I'll show you the whole boat now quickly, and then I've got a few bits to do when I get home, cut some wood and do a few bits, but there's not a lot to do now. Hopefully that carpet comes in soon. I think it comes Wednesday, so I'll do that Wednesday evening. Tomorrow I'm just going to give all this white another coat, all on here. I've got the pump to fit for the sink, and I've got some painting to do outside. Right, so I missed day 9, today's day 10, so we've got 5 days to wrap this boat up if we're keeping it on schedule. So I missed yesterday, I went car shopping, and when I got back down here it was just too dark to do anything. So today I've got all the bits. I've got the carpet for this, I've got the water pump for the sink, so we've just got to get cracking, and there's a few finishing bits in here, and then there's not a great deal to do until it gets lifted out tomorrow evening, and then it'll just be a clean on the inside once the outside's done. So yeah, we'll get cracking, get this water pump fitted, and see if I can get it to work. So let's go. So inside this little box is apparently all I need. Little pump, inlet, outlet. So this will just, hasn't got a lot of cable on it. It will just mount to the wall, suck the water out from the bottle and pump it up to the tap, and then it will go through the sink and out the side of the boat. I've got to get this wired in, and then I've got some tube for the inlet into the bottle that will go into the bottle, and then the pipe up to the sink as well. Right, so I'm pretty sure I've got that wired in now. I'm pretty sure I've got that on the inlet and the outlet. One's connected to that blue pipe and going up to the sink, and the other is in the water bottle. So I'm going to turn it on and hope for the best. So now I've turned the isolator on. I've got to turn the water system on. Nothing so far. It's definitely working. Let me have a look. New submersible pump wired in. Moment of truth. Take two. The other one won't be good enough. Right, what do you reckon? Working or not?
Sounds good.
Oh, definitely heard it.
Mate, we've got a leak, we've got a leak. Turn off.
So, if you've made it to this point in the video, please like and subscribe. There was about 2,000 people that saw the last part of this series, and we had about 65 likes. If we get 100 likes on this video, I'll post the next part even quicker than next Friday. So please like right now and subscribe. Thank you for your continued support. Now on with the video. Let's get this carpeting finished.
One more time and one more night without your hands, without me in your arms. Looking back, I wonder why I didn't show you how deep is my love.
Well, there it is. That is the last of the windows done, and that don't look too bad at all. I'm just going to do these bits now, the two bits above the sink, and yeah, fingers crossed that comes out all right. And I've got a little bit to patch there, which was just where the join was, and then there isn't too much left to do. So yeah, so I'm going to wrap the video up here. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, like I said already, and I'll see you hopefully before next Friday, because all of you have liked the video. So I'll see you next week. Thank you for the continued support, and yeah, we've got quite a bit to crack on with, because the boat is getting lifted out tomorrow, and yeah, then we can get cracking with the anti-foul and the polishing.